Alright guys, so that was just a quick review on how I did my right brow, and now we're about to move on to my left brow. It's just a slower version of how I do it. So right now I'm just brushing out my brows with a spoolie, and yeah, so I had to look in my mirror to like really get this done because I couldn't look in my other mirror. But let's go ahead and get into this brow. So I just take my e.l.f. pomade and use an angle brush and get some product. I don't know what I was taking so long for, but I must have been talking about something. But yeah, don't judge me on how the brow, don't judge me on how I apply the pomade to my brow, okay? It's really, really complicated on how to put that on with my left eye. I probably had to do this maybe 2 times, but eventually you'll see how it'll look like an actual brow and not just me smudging makeup on my face. But yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking right quick because I have nothing to say. Okay, so I realized that I did not have enough product on my brush, so therefore you can actually see me outlining my brow at this point, and it's looking much better than what it was in the beginning. So yeah, I had to really think why is it doing this? So yeah, right now I don't know what I be doing, but I'm just crazy. So I'm just taking my spoolie brush and just brushing it out, and my earring kept getting caught up in my scarf. But right now I'm about to just use some concealer to clean that up. So since I cannot do a straight line when it comes to correcting my mistakes with the concealer, I'll just make little dots, and then I'll just go over that with more concealer, and then I'll be able to do my perfect line. And yeah, I'm just basically cleaning up everything, blending it and all that. Nothing major. But do y'all like that mermaid brush? I wish I had a full set. They only gave me one, and I was like, why did I get one? I realized that once I read the description box, it was like, oh, you only get one. But anyway, so I'm gonna just take my eyeshadow brush and just blend all the concealer out. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll poke myself in the eye. I'm just reckless. But yeah, so I'm about to take my other concealer and just go over the top because I don't like using the lighter concealer because it gives me that halo effect. I really don't like it. So yeah, and I was just so ready to get these brows done. Sometimes I hate brows, sometimes I don't, but y'all heard the saying of how the brows that you do are not your sisters, they're your cousins, because they're not bound to look exactly alike, but I had to go back with some concealer because it wasn't to my liking, so I just basically did some more correcting. I swear concealer really does come in handy.